But the opening of a talk is sort of like the start of a race. And that a race has this really high point of tension where it says, on your mark, get set. And that moment right between get set and go, or the gun going off, or whatever it is that highest point of tension because anything can happen. Anything is possible, but nothing yet has. And similarly, at the start of a talk, you've walked out on stage. You're there, your audience is there. Nothing has happened yet. Anything is possible. It's a very pregnant, high point of tension. But what saying, oh, thank you so much, and it's so nice to be here, does is it squanders that tension. It disperses it. It just basically it basically is saying, I hope you all like me, so I'm going to try to be nice and polite to you, as opposed to, I absolutely promise you that the best thing that you can do for yourself right now is pay attention to every word I have to say. And so, and I'm not saying to say that literally, but energetically, that's what we want to convey. And so, what we can do instead, someone introduces us, we walk out on stage, and we just start with a compelling opening line of a talk.